Okay guys, so today I'm coming at you with a value play under $1, but it's actually not going to be under $1 for much longer. We're going to be going over Genius Brands in this video. It's going to be GNUS. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Genius Brands is down 29% today, and it's up about 2% in after hours. In the past week, it's down about 38%, past month 21%, and past 3 months 33%. So obviously you're like, hey, why are you showing me this stock that is just trending downwards? Honestly, I believe this is a pretty good play, especially after this big drop that it's had, and that's because of its reverse stock split. Now we'll talk about that a little bit later in the video to kind of explain what's going on with it, but I believe Genius Brands is a pretty good play at the moment, and I'll explain why. But we're also going to go over technical analysis at the end of this video, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe so you continue seeing these videos. But yeah, let's go over what Genius is first. It's basically a content and brand management company, which engages in developing, producing, marketing, and licensing branded children's entertainment properties and consumer products for media distribution and retail channels. Now, this is a licensing agent for certain brands such as Llama Llama, Psycho Bunny from Frank, and Silence Technologies. Now, they have been rumored to be working with Disney, so this is a brand that works with a lot of big brands. So that's just basically all you need to know. They basically do children's entertainment licensing stuff. That's basically what they do. In order to understand what a company is, and before you should trade or invest in it, you should understand what the company actually is. So that's why I always explain it at the beginning of the videos if you guys didn't understand that. But yeah, this is a company that was headquartered in Beverly Hills, California. They were founded in 2006, have 83 employees. Their market cap sits at about 139 million today. So honestly, not that big. All you need is some big players to get in and you're looking pretty sweet. The average volume is about 310 million shares traded every day. Obviously, with this big sell-off that just happened, there was 16 million shares that were traded. So yeah, that's basically what we're looking at with Genius Brands. Now I'll talk about the reverse stock split in a second, but first, guys, we're giving away a free week of our premium alerts in our Discord. Now you guys can join for free with the first link in the description. No credit card required. You're gonna get a free week of our premium alerts. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure that you guys go join. Might as well check it out. You don't even have to take the plays, just watch and see how it goes, and see if you're interested. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and join with the first link in the description. But other than that, I want to bring up StockTwits. So guys, StockTwits is a place where you can check the overall how much a stock is trending or crypto is trending, and you can see here that Genius Brands is going to be the number 8 most active stock on StockTwits. Now obviously it's probably because they were down 29%, but they were down 29% because they just announced a 1-for-10 reverse stock split to maintain compliance with NASDAQ continued listing requirements. If you guys don't know, a reverse stock split is when they basically lower the amount of shares available. So we can come here and you can see the reverse stock split will proportionally reduce the number of shares of authorized common stock from 400 million. So there's 400 million basically stocks right now, or shares right now, and it's going to go to 40 million shares. So that basically is going to bring its price from 44 cents here to about $4.48. So that's basically what's happening. Now this is to meet the NASDAQ requirements, because in order to stay on the NASDAQ, you can dip below $1, but you need to maintain a $1 minimum bid price in order to stay on the exchange. So they're not trying to get unlisted from the exchange, so that's why they're doing this reverse stock split. But a lot of people are not exactly happy that they have to do this reverse stock split, because that means that, you know, they're just not doing well as a company. They can't stay above $1. But I honestly believe that this is a pretty good company that will have a bounce back. So this really doesn't change anything. It's really just about optics and how much a stock is worth. But some people just see it as a negative. So that's basically what's happening today. Let's go into the technical analysis real quick before we get out of here. Honestly, we're seeing some pretty good price movement going from 43 cents all the way up to about 74 cents at one point, before coming back down. They were announced the reverse stock split, and now we're well below all of the moving averages. Went from about 61 cents down to 40 cents, bounced off. Looks like we have a support at the 40 cents. We're trending down in the MACD still, and honestly, we could see a little bit less in gains, but a little bit more losses rather. But I could definitely see it going back down to about 40 cents, making a support here, and then slowly climbing back up. But for now, we're still trending down. I wouldn't make a play yet until I see the MACD start to trend back up and the RSI start to go pass over the 30. That's personally what I would do. But yeah, we'll talk about that more in our Discord. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys join the first link in the description. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.